Without further ado, let's dive in.
I'm here at the Google Real World Testing Lab with an exclusive
A behind-the-scenes look.
With an exclusive hands-on.
I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
Rolling slow-mo.
This might just be a pivotal point in iPhone history.
This is the world's most powerful digital camera.
I tested the camera while jet skiing on the Hudson River.
Let's compare the specs.
Killer features.
It's all about AI.
It gives me insights into how I'm striking the ball.
I could just ask my watch, and bam, answers, useful.
Our next guest is CNET Editor-at-Large, Scott Stein.
Can give people a bit of a nudge to go and talk to their medical providers.
We've got Lisa here to answer the question.
We're really just at the very beginning of this.
I have to bring you closer.
I'm here at CES 2024.
Best mobile tech that I've seen at the show.
Health tech, robots, solar tech.
Press a button, unfolds, watch the game.
For some people, this is a deal breaker.
This is probably my game of the show so far.
You ever wonder how CNET tests TVs? Come on in the lab and I'll show you.
Driverless cars going close to 200 miles an hour.
It's kind of life-changing.
Charging our bikes, our phones, our cameras.
It's not a matter of if, but when.
So stay tuned.
This is great.
Finally, made a par.
It turned this skeptic into a believer. Well, I guess that's the video done then. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.